Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to restore a site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have all of your websites in one place. We have the setup, we have the home, we have the settings, and in the top left corner and the top right corner, we have the design site and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and restore a site on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. Go to your site in the Wix owner app or dashboard, of course, which we are at the moment, and click the site list or the site history. After you have clicked on the site history, click on the trash or restore versions. When you clicked on trash or restore versions, find the site or version that you want to actually go and restore. Then click on the more actions or arrow icon next to the site or version. And then at the end, you just need to go and click restore. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.